Hello everybody, this is Andrew, and today we're going to look at a fun way to make your shadow boxing a little bit more exciting. So I've added a X to a mirror here, the dry erase, make sure not to use a permanent marker. And this is going to be the firing line where my opponent is punching, right? So when I'm here in front of my reflection, I can slip right to the right or the left of that line and then punch towards it. Even if I want to work on my accuracy, I can punch where that line is. One thing to remember is when we slip, we don't want to slip so far over that by the time we get back up, they're punching us. So we want to make sure we're just going about one head slot over from that X. So not only does it help you know how far to go over, but it also works as just that, that target or where you don't want to be, where they're targeting you and you don't want to be when they're throwing punches. You can also, like I mentioned, work your accuracy. You're throwing towards that X as you may be going to those hooks, right? Pop, you're countering as you're moving. You can slip and punch at the same time. You can slip then punch, right? So kind of use that as your accuracy a little bit. If you want to get fancy, feel free to draw like a face, maybe of your middle school bully. That might motivate you to do a little bit more shadow boxing. Shadow boxing is one of the best things you can do to reinforce good habits. So make sure you're incorporating good habits and moving your head a lot when you're working on the shadow boxing using our X. All right, we'll see you soon. Let me know if you have any questions.